Okay, so what are we going to do today? Today we're going to add docking to our window so we can dock our little ImGui window. Main dock space, that'll do, yeah. And then in there we need to go to why is that not coming up and asking me to, oh, let's get rid of one of them. Why we ended up with two of them. Then in here where are we? I lost the plot there for a few seconds. Here we go. In here we have the main dock space, and I've already typed the code out because it just I'm just too slow to do it. This code's all done in about 27 lines of code, so docking isn't a particularly, it's quite complicated, but it isn't a particularly large amount of code that we need to go through to get this to work. You can there's probably better ways of doing it than I've done it. This is, oh, the other thing also with this, the version I'm using for this is 191.0 for the ImGui. The newer version's got a slightly different way of doing it, and I haven't sussed up yet how that works. So this is the same version I'm using on my Spidex engine that I use, so I know it works on there, so I've done it on here. I don't think we need that to say demo, do we? It can be our, yeah, just our dock space. We don't need that as demo. Not that makes any difference. Yeah, that runs there. This little piece here, all this does is it basically records where your window's docked. So next time you open your main window, it remembers that your window's docked in that position. Then all we need to do now is come across to the main form. I've made a couple of slight adjustments to this because I have added a button to the first window I did, where we can open and close the ImGui demo window. So you'll see in a minute when we run this up, you'll be able to see the demo window does gives you all the options and things that you can do to run the. Right. So anyhow, we come in here. If we go under here on this piece here, and let's just add in that there equals true, will do nicely. And then we need to basically do yes, what it's put up there, so that's rather useful. That saves me typing as well. I think the computer realises that I'm so slow at typing, it's better if it does it for me. We don't want that bit of code, that was for something else I was messing about with. So by rights, that's how simple setting up docking in ImGui is. Unless I've missed something, that should be it. Like I say, it's about 27 lines of code. And now we should get our little window, which we have. We grab hold of the title bar of that, you'll now see we have docking on this, so we can dock that to the side there, and it will remember that it's docked there. When we start the program up again, ImGui remembers that that panel is docked to that side. Now what I have added is this was the button I added, and this will get you this, which is all the ImGui. You can go through here and look at all the different bits and pieces, and it will show you all the stuff you can get, or bits you can add, And what you can do then is you can actually go, which is quite clever, you can actually go, if you in your, oh, click the wrong button again, clicked it wrong again. If you go to your vendors, the ImGui file, and then open demo CPP, in here you can find all those bits. You'll have to scroll down quite a bit to find where they're actually instigated, and it, you know, you can see on here how you do a menu, which is one of the things I'm going to do next anyhow, and it just literally shows you all the different ways and what the code is that you need to utilize to get your bits working. So anyhow, on that simple, there we go, and it's put it back where it come from, and that's all done in that simple little bit of code there that runs through the docking. I mean, most of it's sort of self-explanatory. You can come through and see what it's doing. You have to set a load of flags for different things to stop it. You have to set the viewport and everything up on it. It's fairly simple, and it works, and that's the important bit. It does work, which is code's up on GitHub. Thanks for watching if you did.